How to fix error 403 on Google Chrome. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for the Chrome app. So launch your settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Now from this list of apps, find Chrome. Once you find it, launch it. Click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is head back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way down, click on apps. From the list of the apps, find Chrome. Then navigate to this option, default browser app, checking for the option Chrome. Now you can launch your Chrome app and check whether it works or not. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch your settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, keep a fresh restart your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Likewise, click on the option VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Lastly, what you want to do is launch your Chrome browser and log out of your Gmail account, wait for a few minutes, and then again log in back. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Chrome from your device. For that, press and hold on it, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Chrome and then download it. So these are some fixes for Chrome error 403. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.